My name is Vidhi. Yes, your wait is over. MHP CT 2021 notification is out. Date of examination is not yet declared, but online form filling for MHP CT 2021 has started from 8th of June. So in today's session, we will go through the important dates as well as I'll guide you how to fill MHP CT 2021 online form. Let's start, guys. I'll share my screen first. If you are not aware about the website of the government, directly you can go to the Google, right? Just type MHT CT 2021 application form and just click on it, right? पहला ही रिजल्ट आ जाएगा mahacity.org, right? Welcome to State Common Interest Test Cell. Click on that. Yes. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन चेक कर लीजिएगा. अच्छा, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द फॉर्म फिलिंग जस्ट गो थ्रू द इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स क्विकली, राइट? सो यू विल फाइंड द नोटिफिकेशन ओवर हियर. MHP CT 2021. Yes, it's here. Okay, just before I start the new registration, just check on the important dates, right? Online registration start हुआ है 8/6/2021 और इसका लास्ट डेट है 7th of July. 7th of July 12 o'clock तक आप इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हो, right? If you are missed out, you can still register with the additional late fee, that is 500 from 8th July to 15th of July, right? So एक 1 week का time period आपको grace दिया गया है. Okay, so now you can come to the registration part. New registration, click on the new registration. I accept and proceed. You have to write your name first, right? आपका जो candidate's name है that should be same as your 10th standard का mark sheet. Okay, so just you have a look at your 10th standard ka mark sheet and accordingly you fill your details, right? So I'm just randomly using the details. Then next is write the father's name. Next is the mother's name. Select the proper gender from the drop down option. I'm writing female. Yes. Confirm your gender, female. Date of birth, you have to choose your date of birth. Yes. Religion, drop down option में से आपका religion choose करना है. I'm taking Hindu here. Yes. Region to which you belong, rural or urban, मतलब आप suppose village में रहते हो तो you have to select rural, otherwise urban, है ना? City अगर है तो it is urban. Annual family income, सपोज आप EWS कैटेगरी का बेनिफिट लेना चाहते हो तो आपका एनुअल इनकम जो है दैट शुड बी बिलो 8 लाख. एंड सपोज आप अगर EWS कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हो तो उसके नेसेसरी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन आपके पास होने चाहिए. अदरवाइज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नहीं है तो आपका एडमिशन फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी विल गेट रिजेक्टेड, right? I don't think so. While filling the form, you need this document, but while admission, you need it. Okay. So I'm just going for 2 lakh to 2,50,000. Mother tongue, I'll go with Marathi. Nationality Indian. You just write down the address. Make sure that while writing the address in one line, you should not exceed the 50 characters. Okay. It should be below 50 characters. Okay. State, Maharashtra. You need to select yours. District, let's say whichever district you reside in. Let's say I stay in Thane. So I'll click on district Thane. Taluka, I'll select on Kalyan. Then which village in Kalyan? Okay. So mine is Kallan Domboli M Corporation. Yes, you have to select your village basically. Yes, you need to write the pin code. Yes, address for the correspondence, same as the permanent address. If you want the same address to copy down, just click on this tick. Hello? Okay, now everything is done. Go for the mobile number. राइट ये मोबाइल नंबर आपको वही डालना है जो आपके पास हैंडी है, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर आपका एप्लीकेशन नंबर जनरेट हो जाएगा और इसका मैसेज आपको इस मोबाइल नंबर पे आ जाएगा. ओके ओके email id also you have to write something. Now choose the password. Okay, so you have to choose some password. While selecting the password, आपको यहाँ पे conditions दिए हुए हैं. Password must be 8 to 13 characters long, मतलब 8 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, 13 से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, right? Password में at least one upper case letter होना चाहिए, one lower case alphabet होना चाहिए, एक नंबर होना चाहिए और एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टर. लाइक ये जो दिए हैं उस सेट में एक तो कम से कम आपके पास होना चाहिए. ओके save and proceed. Yes. Now you can see that you must have received a password on your mobile. You need to check that. Yes, I have received the password. I'll just enter it here. Verified OTP. Yes. Now you have received this application number on your mobile as well, right? So you don't need to copy it anywhere. Okay. Now proceed to the application form. Now write your application number which you have received on your phone. 633. Yes. Password which you have already designed. Yes. Now you will come to this page. Whatever details you have filled in the registration, you have filled in the registration part, that will get displayed. And now you have to select one by one step, right? So let's go with the first step. Step 1 already complete. Registration personal detail आपने already भरा हुआ है, right? Come to the second category. If you just want to have a look, just have a look, right? ये आपने already भरा हुआ है, ठीक है? You will come to the second step. Domicile. Do you belong to state of Maharashtra? Yes. You have to select your category like open, OBC, whatever, right? अगर आप suppose other than open category belong करते हो तो आपके पास आपके caste certificates होने चाहिए, non criminal होना चाहिए. Okay, so I'm going with open category. If you want, just I'll show you how that looks like. Let's say आप OBC click करते हो तो आपके पास सिर्फ आपके जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है उनका जस्ट लिस्ट आपके पास अवेलेबल है कि नहीं, वो सिर्फ आपको मार्क करना है, राइट? तो जैसे कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट है कि नहीं, कास्ट वैलिडिटी सर्टिफिकेट है कि नहीं, राइट? डू यू हैव नॉन क्रिमिलियर सर्टिफिकेट और नॉट. अभी आपको कुछ सबमिट नहीं करना है, राइट? Okay, so if you want I can show you this also. Available, so you can just check at the end, is it asking me to check the documents or not. Okay, you are you're not the person who is with the disability. Let's move ahead. 7, proceed. Qualification details. Have you passed SSC exam? Yes. 10th standard का board select करना है. Let's say Maharashtra board is the first option. I'll click on Maharashtra board. 10th standard year, passing year you have to select. Let's say 2019 if you are fresh. 10th standard का percentage, let's say minus 85%. आपको स्टेट सेलेक्ट करना है जहां से आपने 10th स्टैंडर्ड पास आउट किया है. I'll go with the महाराष्ट्र. ओके आपका स्कूल जिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में था आपको उस डिस्ट्रिक्ट का नाम सिलेक्ट करना है. लेट्स से माइनस इन थाने. यस यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द तालुका. अगेन आई एम राइटिंग कल्याण. entered school name. Okay, so I just entered my school name. HSC or equivalent details. Are you appearing for class 12? Yes. Select the board. I'll go with the Maharashtra board. Yes. Select the state where your 12th standard college is situated. You have to find out the state of your college. It's in Maharashtra. District. Again, I'll go for Thane. Select Taluka, Kalyan, and I have selected the college name. Okay. 7, proceed. Now you can just go to the subject group for MHT CET 2021, right? So it's like you can take just PCM, you can take PCB, or you can select PCM and PCB both. Let's say I want to go for PCM only. Select language of medium of the question paper, English. Yes, confirm your language, English. Select the state for MHT CET 2021 examination center, Maharashtra. This year it is allowed to appear from another state as well because this COVID situation, few of them have migrated to their native places. So for them, this will be the relaxation, you can say. You can select the exam center for the preference number. I'll go with the Thane first. District center. Okay, fine. Basically, you have to find out the district of the center. I'll go with Mumbai Suburbans. And nearby for me, let's say it's Pune. So I have selected these 4 options because selecting 4 it's compulsory for everyone. Okay. Let's move ahead. Now you have to upload your picture, that is passport size photograph and your signature. Okay. So I'll go for the photograph first. Before you start form filling, no, just make sure that you have saved your photographs and signature on your laptop or on the computer so that it will help you to quickly upload this. Okay, if you want to crop the images, you can. Yes, upload. Same, you can apply the signature. Select signature from here. Go to open signature. If you want to crop, just crop it. Upload. Yes. 7, proceed. Select the document which you are uploading. So you have to find out one document from the drop down list. Let's say PAN card, Indian passport, permanent driving license. So you have to select one of the option from here: PAN card, Indian passport, permanent driving license, voter card, bank passbook, Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar card, something like that. Okay. So let's say I have Aadhaar card. So I'll go with this. I have to upload the Aadhaar card. Again, go back to the option. You have to find out the upload. 7, proceed. See. Now your all the details are ready. You need to proceed for the payment. Okay. Now you're done with all the details, like you have filled registration or personal details, domicile and category details, qualification details, MHT CT details, upload photo and signature. You are done with the signature and photo, everything. Yes. And now we are ready for the making payment. Okay. Okay. So here, as of now, they haven't asked for any attachment. राइट किसी भी तरह से किसी भी सर्टिफिकेट्स को अभी अपलोड करने के लिए पूछा नहीं गया है. ओके ओके ओनली आधार कार्ड, मतलब जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए जो आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिए थे, जैसे पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, राइट, तो वो एक सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट आपको रेडी रखना है. अदर देन दैट यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. लेट्स प्रोसीड फॉर द पेमेंट. यस. Yes, I need to pay 600 fees over here. You can select any mode of payment. Like you can pay by phone pay, card, net banking, anything will do. Yes, I will go with the net banking. Okay, they are saying this payment may face issue. Okay, I'll go with another wallet or phone pay. Phone pay and more. I have the option of GPay. GPay, it's not there. Phone pay I have. Yes. Yes, I can go for this UPI. Yes. Or show QR code. Yes, continue. I will scan the QR code and make the payment with the help of GPay. Yes, payment made successful. Yeah. Now your application is completed. Yes, you can print the application form, right? Or you can save as PDF. I'm just saving for now because I have to take the printout little bit later. Okay. That's it, guys. This is very easy and very nice process. Yeah. Remember, as of now, you don't require any of the documents. You just need to keep your Aadhaar card handy if you have, right? Passport, even passport will do. Any identification certificate is required. Other than that, no any certificates are required. Let's say if you are saying you have applied and you haven't received yet, in that case, you need to put the application number. Okay. So let's say you have applied for the caste certificate and you didn't get it. Okay. So in that case you can ask for the number, application number. Okay. That's it. This is very simple and very nice process, guys. I hope this information was very helpful for you guys. If you have any query, please do write in the comment box. I'll definitely reply to your queries. And if this information is useful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.